Hello everyone. Today I'm here with my colleagues on the very first day of the 2025 IBA Fair in Düsseldorf. IBA is the world's leading trade fair for bakery, confectionery and snacks. It offers a unique platform where the latest trends and innovations in the industry are presented. My colleagues and I at ProLeiT and Schneider Electric are very excited to be here at the fair to meet and exchange with our customers and partners. The topics discussed this year at IBA cover the industry's most common challenges and opportunities. To name a few: quality management, sustainability, digitalization. So at ProLeiT and Schneider Electric, we have therefore decided to showcase our digital and software-centric automation solutions, which help our customers in the food industry the most, so we can help them address these needs and trends. As an example of our industry-specific solutions, we are very excited to talk to you about our line management system, focusing on improving overall effectiveness, open automation solutions, particularly the integration of EcoStruxure Automation Expert and ProLeiT software, redefining IT-OT convergence and software-centric automation. The use of artificial intelligence on specific productivity topics to help provide insights and guidance to your operations teams. We will be presenting those on live demos, showcasing these software solutions for your industry automation and processes. So please come by and visit. We will be more than delighted to exchange with you. We are in Hall 13, booth G40. Thank you and see you soon.